Hey everyone, welcome back to the 5-Minute Feed, your quick daily dose of US news in under 5 minutes. It's June 15, 2025, and I've got today's top stories ready for you. Let's dive in. Biden delivers major economic speech. Today in Philadelphia, President Biden delivered what many are calling one of his most important speeches of the year, focusing on the state of the U.S. economy. He outlined the administration's continued efforts to lower inflation, which has been one of the biggest concerns for American families. The president pointed to the steady decline in prices over the past 6 months, record low unemployment rates, and wage growth across multiple sectors. However, he acknowledged that some challenges remain, particularly in housing affordability and student loan debt, two issues hitting younger Americans the hardest. Biden also took the opportunity to push Congress to pass new legislation designed to strengthen the middle class, including affordable housing programs, child care tax credits, and workforce development initiatives. This speech comes as both Democrats and Republicans prepare for what is expected to be a very competitive 2025 midterm election season, with control of Congress hanging in the balance. Federal Reserve holds interest rates steady. The Federal Reserve made headlines today by announcing it would keep interest rates steady at 5.25% for the third straight month. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell stated that while inflation continues to moderate, it is still not yet at the Fed's long-term 2% target. He also highlighted the strength of the job market, which has helped keep consumer spending stable despite higher borrowing costs. This cautious approach by the Fed has reassured both investors and economists who are concerned about a potential recession. Following the announcement, the stock market responded positively, with both the Dow Jones and Nasdaq indexes closing up by modest margins. Many analysts now believe that if inflation continues to cool, the Fed may consider cutting rates later this year, possibly as early as September. Major heatwave sweeps across the U.S. A dangerous heat wave is gripping much of the United States this weekend, stretching from the southwest to parts of the Midwest. Temperatures have climbed above 100 degrees Fahrenheit in states like Texas, Arizona, Nevada, and California. The National Weather Service has issued excessive heat warnings affecting over 50 million Americans. Public health officials are warning people to stay indoors during peak afternoon hours, stay hydrated, and avoid strenuous outdoor activities. Cooling centers have opened in several cities to assist vulnerable populations, including the elderly and those without access to air conditioning. This heatwave comes as experts warn that extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense due to climate change. Apple unveils new AI features. At its highly anticipated WWDC 2025 event this week, Apple unveiled a range of powerful new artificial intelligence features for its upcoming iOS 19 release. Among the biggest announcements was an upgraded Siri, which now offers more natural conversations, better voice recognition, and real-time translation abilities. Apple also introduced personalized content recommendations across its ecosystem, as well as expanded privacy protections for on-device AI processing, a move aimed at easing growing concerns about data security. With these updates, Apple is positioning itself as a serious competitor to Google, OpenAI, and other tech giants in the AI race. Many tech analysts are already calling these changes Apple's most significant software update in years, signaling a major shift in the company's long-term AI strategy. Gas prices drop ahead of summer travel surge. In some welcome news for American travelers, national gas prices have fallen to their lowest levels since early 2023. The current average sits at around $3.25 per gallon, according to AAA. The drop is being attributed to higher refinery production, stabilized global oil markets, and stronger than expected domestic supply. With summer travel season officially kicking off, millions of Americans are expected to hit the roads for vacations, family visits, and holiday celebrations over the next few weeks. AAA projects that this could be one of the busiest travel seasons in recent memory, with more than 50 million travelers anticipated for the 4th of July holiday alone. That's it for today's update from the 5-Minute Feed, your go-to spot for fast, simple US news every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss a daily update. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.